Cat in a Hat. I recommend this book to all the autistic kids out there. They'll be exhausted by now. The sun was not shining. It was too wet to play. So they sat in the house all that cold, cold winter day. We sat there, we sat with Sally. We sat there, we two. I said to myself, I wish we had something to do. Said, I was too wet to play. We sat in the house all that cold, cold winter day. So we sit, sit, sit. I don't like it, not one little bit. Then Tommy came with a bump made us jump. We looked, and we saw him stepping on our mat. We looked, and we saw him, the cat in the hat, and he said to us, "Why are you saying like that? I know the sun's not wet and the sun's not shining, but you're lots of good fun if it's funny. And there's some games we can play," said the cat. "There's some good tricks," said the cat in the hat. "Oh, lots of good tricks. I'll show you. I'll show you to my mother. Your mother won't mind if I do." Sally and I said nothing to say. Our mother was out of her house for the day. But the fish said, "No, no, no. Let this cat go away. It should not be here. It should not be about. It should not be here when the mother is out." The fish is mad, isn't he? He's pissed. "Now, now, have no fear," said the cat. "My tricks are not that bad," said the cat in the hat. "We have lots of good fun if it's funny. Was a little game I call Up with a Fish. Put me down, you great old cat. Pop, 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 pop." I don't, this is not fun at all. Put me down," said the fish. "I don't wish to fall." "Now, now, no fear," said the cat. "I'm gonna let you fall." I was down on a ball with one book in my hand and a teacup in my hat. "Is that all I can do?" said the cat. Look at me now," said the cat. So, with a time I had, with the cat and the kid got a time I had to hold up two books, a fish, and a sailboat, and look, a milk on a dish. I'm jumping down a ball. That's not all I can do. Oh no, that's not all," said the cat in the hat. Look at me now," said the cat in the hat. "We got some good fun if you know how. If you don't know how, we can. When we kick on the top by the top of my hat, I can hold up two books, a fish and a salmon, and look, a fan with a fan, and a up and down a ball. That's not all I can do," said the cat in the hat. And just like the cat said, he fell down with a big bump. He saw all the things fall. Look at the fish now. He's very angry. A fish came down too. Do I like this? I do not. This is not a good game. I do not like it at all. No, one little bit, said the fish as he lit. Look what you did, said the cat. Said the fish to the cat. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Now look at the house. Said, you sank our toy ship. You sank it deep into a cake. You, you bent awake. You shouldn't be here. Should not be about. Should not be here when the mother is out. I'm not to be here, said the cat. I like it a lot, said the cat in the hat. I'll never go away. I do not wish to go to. And so, said the cat, so, I shall know another good game that I know. He went outside and came out with a box, as quick as a flash. And look, he came out with a red box with a sharp hook. A sharp hook. Look at this trick, said the cat. Take a look. So, with tip of his hat, he says, we call this game Find in a Box, said the cat. We have two things in this box. I'll show you these two things. Then, look now. Then two things came out. Hello, would you like to shake hands at thing one and thing two? And then, well, we know what to do, so we shook hands at thing one and thing two. It shall be, or it shall be about. It shall be, or a new mother is out, said the fish in the pot. Oh, now no fear, said the fish. And he gave them a pat. And so tame, they came into play. On this wet day. So, that is the thing that we like, that they like, said the cat. So, let's fly kites, said the cat. Said the cat. No, the house is not fly kites in the house. It's not fly kites in the house. All the things are about, all the things are a hit. And this is all, I do not like this at all, not one little bit. Look at these things. All the things are about, all the things that were hit. Then we saw, Sally and I saw things above in the wall. Bump, 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 bump. Round the hallway. We saw Mother's gown. And then the thing two and thing one said, ran up and down the stairs. We saw one string on a kite, and we saw a gown with polka dots on it. The white, pink, and red. And we saw another kite bump on a bed. Ow! Ouchie, itchy. They'll do something fast, said the fish. Do you hear? Your mother is home. Then the fish shook with fear. Look, said the fish. Shook with fear. Do you hear? Your mother's on the way home. Mr. was fine, said the fish. Do you hear? Your mother is at home. Mr. was fine, so the better thing one thing too. As fast as I could, I came after my net. And when my net, I could get on my bed. When my net, I could get on my bed. Then, the net came down plop. Plop! At last, I had him at last. Those two things had to be stopped. Like, stop right there. What do we have here? Santa Claus, I'm really scared. And I say to myself, oh, you should back up those things. You should take them away. Oh dear, I like that game. Oh, what a shame, what a shame. So he packed up his things and packed up his toys. Good, now he's gone. Well, there's no way to clean it. It's too tall and too skinny. There's no way at all. Then, look who came back to the house. Why, it's the cat in the hat. Have no fear, said the cat in the hat. I will pick up the toy things, and so I'll show you another good game that I know. So, I'll pick up the toys, I'll pick up the leg, they pick up his toys, they pick up all his things, and with his tip in his hat, he's gone just like that. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Tell me, what did you do? Should we tell her? What do we say to her? So, do what your mother asked you to. The end. What I recommend is this. The critics are perfectly over the cat and a half for 50 years. They must be exhausted by now. What I recommend is Dr. Seuss, The Cat in the Hat. It's perfect for critics. What I recommend is Grinch, or Grinch and Ham is what I'm trying to say. Like what?